We have twice the abrasive resistance of some of our competitors' bearings. And so that allows us to be able to decrease their maintenance cycles. We also have a lot of stock. We have 2 locations in the US that are fully stocked, so they can be ready for immediate use. So you're decreasing your downtime on a dry dock.
This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV, and we're very pleased to be with Jason Perry of Thordon Bearings. We're here in New Orleans at the International Workboat Show, and obviously, Jason, since we're at the Workboat Show, we're going to be talking about the offerings that Thordon Bearings has for this very challenging market. But just to start us off, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your responsibilities, and I'm sure everyone watching knows the Thordon Bearings name, but just a quick overview of the company.
Sure. Jason Perry, I'm the Regional Director of North America. So I take care of our distributor network. I work with them in providing them what they need when they need it. Working with them in business planning. I'll also oversee the inland waterways market with our new inland waterways manager. So I just take care of the business in North America, make sure everything runs smoothly and people get what they need. So Thomson Gordon Group started in 1911. It's remained a family company all the way through. Thordon Bearings itself is a division of Thomson Gordon Group because we have other companies underneath the umbrella of Thomson Gordon. So it has continued to grow in the workboat market. We've added different products to be able to handle such a harsh environment that work with that.
Can you talk about the RiverTough bearing and specifically the value it adds to this workboat market?
Sure. The RiverTough bearing is designed specifically to work in these harsh environments with the abrasives that we have in the dirty water in this business. So these are completely water-lubricated bearings, so they're more environmentally friendly than the traditional system that was out there, and a sealed oil system. So basically, the inland waterways market is virtually all water lubricated anyway, but what we've got is we have twice the abrasive resistance of some of our competitors' bearings. And so that allows us to be able to decrease their maintenance cycles when they have to do this. So oftentimes they will change out a competitor's bearing 2 times before they have to replace one of our bearings.
Okay, that's awesome. I mean, I know keeping oil out of the water is something that any ship owner or any vessel owner anywhere is going to want to do. But when you look at the key value that the RiverTough bearing offers for this market, what are they?
So the key value is one of the things that we have with our RiverTough bearing is we can offer a shorter bearing in length. So we have a 3-to-1 length to diameter ratio, which in essence makes it where you have your liner can be shorter, so it will save you money. But we also have a lot of stock. We have 2 locations in the US that are fully stocked, so they can be ready for immediate use. So you're decreasing your downtime on a dry dock, and that's huge because we know that time, the lost business, is even more important for the dollar, for your dollar amount than the actual bearing itself is.
Why don't we talk a little bit about the TG100, which is actually right behind us?
Okay, yeah, so the TG100 is our tail shaft seal. It's a silicon carbide sealing faces. It's similar to some others that are out there, but the advantage that we have is we have no maintenance cycle on ours. So there's not a period of time that you have to come and do an overhaul on our seal. We also have we call our safe return to port feature on our emergency seal. It's plumbed directly to the ship's air. And what you can do if there is an incident that causes a primary seal failure, you can inflate that seal, the emergency seal. Check everything out. There's a quick procedure you go through, and then you can turn around and start decreasing the air pressure on the seal and let a little bit of water start to trickle through. Then you can turn the engine back on that side, and you can steam at half RPM back to a dry dock. Or you can also do that, and the silicon carbide faces also come split, where you can do an in-water repair, where you just inflate that emergency seal and flush everything out, and then take your seal faces and put your new split seal faces in, button it back up, and you're ready to go. So there are a lot of companies that will keep spares on the boat. And one of the other advantages that I think that we have is the sales staff we have, whether it's the direct in the waterways guys, or if it's our distributors around North America, is they're always available for a phone call. They can make a quick trip, or they can also walk someone through the procedure on the phone, because it is really a simple procedure.
Obviously, we're here in New Orleans. You look at the cumulative maritime market. Where do you see opportunity today?
There's still a lot of large vessels out there that don't have seals on them. A lot of them still use packing glands, and we still think that that is the future, because we get away from any kind of oil, any kind of grease. We're just flushing water through this bearing. So I think that getting away from oil and grease and away from the metal bushings out there, that's where it is, because not only do you get away from that maintenance part of it, but you're decreasing your maintenance time, which we've had with some of our different products that we've used that are self-lubricating. So you're completely eliminating replacing 1 and 2 bushings a year, and you're going 5, 6, 7 years without touching them.